If you're looking for a beach in Dominica that really feels alive, that feels local, and that feels welcoming, then you're looking at the right place. Today, we're at Mero Beach, one of the most loved and most lived in beaches on the island. This isn't just a beach you visit. This is a beach you experience. Mero Beach is located on Dominica's west coast. It's actually just about 20 minutes north of Roseau. And that's really a short drive that really makes a huge difference. And when you're driving up the coast, be sure to look out for the Mero sign, because Google Maps might tell you to go straight, but there's a big sign that shows where you turn left. If you're coming from Roseau, you turn left to go onto the beach. And because we're on the west coast, the water here is usually calmer than what you find on the Atlantic side of the island. And that's one of the reasons Mero is so popular with families, locals, and visitors alike. One of the biggest reasons people love Mero Beach is the water conditions. Most days, especially in the morning, and the sea here is calm, gentle, and inviting. Perfect for casual swimmers floating and relaxing close to the shore. On clear days, you'll actually even see people doing a little light snorkeling near the rocks. As always, respect the sea, watch the wave patterns, and swim where others are already gathered. Dominica's waters are beautiful, but they always deserve respect. This is where Mero really separates itself. Mero is not just a beach, it's a village experience. Behind you and around you, and sometimes right beside you, life is happening. You'll see locals liming, families gathering, kids splashing in the water, friends catching up after a long week. You'll hear bouillon, reggae music, soca, sometimes from a bar, sometimes from a car, sometimes from a person's phone. This is one of the rare spaces where locals and visitors share the same ground. No barriers, no pretense, just people enjoying the moment. So today we're relaxing on this is Mero Beach, and just having a chill day. It's pretty sunny. It's in stark contrast to what we've had over the last couple of days. It's been raining, it's been drizzling. So if you're planning a visit, timing makes all the difference. Early morning at Mero is peaceful, like now. The water is clear, the beach is quiet, perfect for reflection and swimming. Afternoon brings energy, more people, more food, more music. That's classic beach lime feeling. And then there's sunset. Now let's talk about the sand, because this sand has a history. Mero Beach is known for its black volcanic sand. That color isn't artificial, it's history. Dominica is a volcanic island, and for over thousands of years, lava and volcanic ashes broke down and mixed with the sea, and slowly formed the shoreline you're standing on today. This sand tells a story of fire, time, and nature's patience. Mero Beach offers one of the most beautiful sunsets of the West Coast. The sun drops slowly into the Caribbean Sea, and black sand reflects the light. The entire beach shifts into calm rhythm. If you love filming or photography, this is your moment. So when people ask, what makes Mero Beach special? It's not just the sand. It's not just the sea. It's the people, the energy, the balance between nature and community.
What's that?
Mero Beach reminds us that the best places aren't always the most polished. They're the ones that feel real. And here's something some people notice. Black sand holds warmth longer. So even when the water is cool, the beach itself feels comforting under the feet. Especially late in the afternoon. So if you enjoy this walk around Mero Beach, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Vivus Discoveries for more authentic stories from Dominica and beyond. Drop a comment and tell me, where should we explore next?